I've got a very amazing drink today, which is Nutty Apple Smoothie. It is a mix of nuts and apple, and there's a twist in that, which is going to be almond milk. Why almond milk? Because it has a good source of calcium, lactose free, and it has a very less sweet content. We'll start with apple. Remove the seeds. Let's take over jar. One apple, handful of walnuts. Walnuts are a rich source of omega fats. Handful of almonds, good for your memory. And here we have almond milk. One cup of milk is enough for the glass. Let's take a glass. For the garnish, I'm gonna chop some almonds, some thin flakes of almond for the garnish. So let's pour. Some almonds to go with it on top. So I've not added any sugar in the drink. If you want, you can add honey, maple syrup, or any sweetener that you like.